Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 11 to 17, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So, kung interesado kayo, this is the best time na magpa-private reading. And paalala lang na ang reading natin ay general reading. So, maaari itong makaresonate sa inyo, maaring hindi. Let's see, Taurus. What's the energy this week? August 11 to 17, 2025. Overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing. Wow, alam nyo, Taurus, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay kinaiinggitan. Dahil you are really winning in life. Maaring may mga achievements kayo ngayon na you are getting a lot of attention. Yun nga lang, no? The more na maraming nakakakilala sa'yo, the more na mas maraming attention na binibigay sa'yo, the more na nakaka-attract ka rin ng mga taong naiinggit or gusto nila na nasa pwesto mo sila. Ganon. You have the star. Wow. So, you are a star. Yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, maaring kayo ay, you are getting international success. So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi lang local country ang nakakakilala sa inyo. Maaring international. Sa social media naman, siyempre maraming Pilipino sa buong mundo. So, kahit nasa ang lugar, maaring merong makakakilala sa'yo. Lalo na kung ikaw ay content creator, social media influencer. At yung iba naman, this can be your, yung mga achievements mo, no? Meron kang isa-celebrate. Na meron ka na-achieve pagdating sa trabaho or career mo, sa finances mo. Yung iba, nakabili na kayo ng bahay, ng sasakyan, ng properties na matagal nyo nang inaasam-asam or pinaghihirapan nyo talaga. And finally, it is happening. Yan, tinan nyo naman. You have the Four of Wands. May celebration, coming together. Maaring merong reunion with the family. Yun nga lang talaga pag mga reunion, no? Ayan yung ikukumpara ng iba, yung sarili nila, sa iba, na sa family nila, no? So, I think ang importante doon is you are appreciating your yung efforts mo sa mga ginagawa mo, and even the others din, no? So, meron din ditong mga wish na matutupad for you. Ayan, you've been manifesting this for quite a while. So, your overall energy is the Page of Wands, which is about going on an adventure. May mga actions, fun things na gagawin ka this week. Pwedeng magta-travel ka sa isang lugar na you've never been to. Kumbaga, you will explore a place you've never been to. What is the Page of Wands? You have the Ten of Swords. Oh, okay. So, maaring ito ay celebration dahil may natapos na difficult situation or stressful situation sa buhay mo. Oo. So, now, ito na. Lumalaya ka na sa stressful situation na yan. And then, your challenge is the Queen of Wands. Yung iba kasi sa inyo rito ay meron kayong certain charm or effortless beauty na kung saan you are gaining some haters. Alam niyo naman, wala tayong hindi naman natin lahat ma-please, no? So, just focus on yourself. And I think rin, hindi mo rin naman hahayaan yung sarili mo na i-please yung ibang tao. You will also focus on yourself, at kung hindi ka gusto, edi hindi mo rin sila gusto. Yung parang hindi mo ipipilit yung sarili mo para sa kanila. You may also be cutting off connection sa mga tao na hindi nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Example, may mga hindi magagandang salita na sinasabi sa'yo sa social media. Ibablock mo or iiwasan mo na lang silang kausapin. Your opportunity is the Tower. This is about changing your direction. So, maaari ring meron kang unhealthy habits na i-release or something that you will not continue, no? Na alam mong hindi na nakakabuti para sa'yo. You also have the Two of Wands. I think meron kang bagong exciting new beginnings na matagal mong pinag-aralan or pinag-isipan kung gagawin mo ba. I think ngayon, meron ka ng lakas ng loob na i-explore yon, subukan yon for experience, kumbaga para may excitement sa buhay mo. And your blessing is the Six of Wands. This is victory. So, kung meron kang sasalihan na contest, lalo na kung beauty contest yan, or pag showcase ng talents and skills mo, ikaw yung mananalo or makakakuha ka ng recognition or admiration sa mga taong nakaka-appreciate sa galing mo. You have the Page of Cups. So, something related to your creativity, yung mga talento mo, galing mo. Some of you are very artistic, no? Marami kayong talents and gifts. You are into arts, music, and people are celebrating you. Ayan. So, let's see what else for your money, career, finances. For Taurus. Oh, guidance. Your angels and spirit guides have your back. Yes, you are protected. They are doing the work in the background to make way for your opportunities to come. So, stay optimistic. Yes, you are being guided sa direksyon na dapat mong tahakin pagdating sa career path mo and sa decision mo sa trabaho or even yung mga financial decisions mo. You have a decision to reconsider pagdating sa trabaho or business or finances or yung mga papasukin mong mga kontrata or mga papasukin mong agreement. So, be careful. Okay? And then, for your love life. Tingnan natin love life ng mga Taurus. For this week. Okay. So, some of you, you are already connecting with your soulmate partner, no? Lalo kayong mas nagiging expressive sa isa't isa. You value each other. Maganda yung communication ninyo together. And maaaring may mga activities kayo together na mas magpapatibay ng bond nyo. Let's say, magta-travel kayo or you will go on an adventure. If you're single, maaring mas magiging open ka na for a new relationship na parang yung parang hindi ka na basta-basta na lang maghihintay. You will go out of your way to meet new people. Ganun naman eh. Kailangan talagang mag-mingle, makipag-friends. Diba? To meet new connections. Oh, you have the Sun in Leo in the 5th house. 5th house is about showcasing your talents, your skills. Yung iba naman sa inyo talaga, very attractive, no? Maraming nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo. You also have Venus in the 4th house, which is birth, like a beginning of a new cycle sa buhay nyo. Pwedeng beginning of a new chapter. Yung iba, lilipat ng bahay or may mga changes kayo, relocation na gagawin. You have Mars in Taurus in the 2nd house. So, sa finances nyo or sa resources nyo, maaring meron kayong unexpected na pagkakagastusan this week or magiging impulsive ka sa paggasto. So, manage your finances, okay? Iwasan yung mga impulsive buying. Ayan. So, itong cycles na to, ito yung mga cycles na i-break mo. Yung mga patterns na hindi na nakakatulong for your growth. You are breaking that. Wow! My success! Yes. And manifestation. So, you're going to have a successful manifestation. Mapapansin mo yan na unti-unti nang nangyayari. Yung mga minamanifest mo. Yung iyong scripting, yung iyong affirmation mo sa buhay. So, it's finally happening for you. Yes, because you are stepping into your own power. Meron ka ng lakas loob, may confidence ka sa sarili mo. You know your worth. alam mo yung halaga mo, kaya you will not settle for anything less. Don't take a back seat in your story. It's time to step up. Yes. Hindi mo hahayaan na ah, parang i-discourage ka ng iba. Lalo na at nakakakuha ka ng attention ngayon, you are gaining a lot of success. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.